Hey guys, Tyler with MarineMax. Today I'm on this Grady 215 Freedom. You'll notice on the back of the boat, this boat does have a pretty large motor for its size. It's got a 300 horse Yamaha V6 outboard. Along the transom you'll see we've got nice swim platforms. Starboard one has a nice boarding ladder. Then you'll see we've got flip up reversible transom seats. You can use it as a casting platform or you can have it into the seat orientation. Here in the middle, got a nice ski pylon that retracts, a live well, and then you'll also notice on both sides we've got tuck away rod storage with tow kicks to help you stay on board while you're fishing. Moving forward, you see we've got a nice reversible lounger. You can have it to where one person can be forward back, lounge forward, lounge backwards, whichever you prefer. In front of that, you'll see you've got your main Fusion stereo head unit. In front of that, you've got your Fusion head unit master control, and you'll see we've got a nice sized bathroom tucked away underneath here. On the starboard side, where the driver sits, you'll see we've got a Garmin VHF radio, Garmin MFD display already built in, an additional Fusion head unit controller for the driver, all your gauges, trim tabs, throttle control, and even an extra little storage drawer. Up at the bow, you'll notice we've got ample seating or lounging space. This is a removable pad, so you could have it more of a U shape if you'd like, or you could take all the cushions off and use it as an additional casting platform while you're out fishing with your friends or family. In front of that, you'll see we've got some more JL speakers, a couple of cup holders, and then your anchor locker is right there in front of that. If you're interested in a Grady-White, please feel free to give me a shout. Thank you.